Hi guys, welcome back to Shop Customizer video series. I'm Milad and this is video number 4 and we're going to talk about the checkout and cart pages. In previous videos we overviewed the Shop Customizer and then we talked in depth about the product list and product page. If you haven't watched them, I suggest you pause this video, watch them first and then come back. Alright, let's talk about checkout and cart pages. To have a better demo of these pages, I've added a few products to the cart. Now let's click on Customize and explore checkout and cart styles. For style of the steps, you can choose between two different styles. The default style is number and the other one is icon. For each style, there's an active state and a passive state. For example, in number style, I can choose different background colors for the active and passive steps. It's possible to change the font color and size of the number and the text as well. And as you can see, we can change the color of the number and the text both in active and passive states. If I change the style to icon, I can see similar options. Let's change the icon size and color in active state, and change the font family and size for the labels. Okay, let's move on to big heading style. I give it a green color and increase the size so we can spot it more easily. So as you see, we have the big headings here, and there's a few more on checkout page as well. For boxes style, let's give it a yellow background color. And as you can see, it's affecting the order summary and this payment section. Of course, we can change the radius and border size and color as well. You can also play around with the padding options to get your desired result. Okay, moving on to field label. I just changed the size and here they are. Now let's fill in these text fields and bring up the field style. We can change the size, the text color, background color, and we have similar border formatting options. As you can see, we can set different colors for focus state, which is when the user is editing the text inside the text fields. So if I change this to a dark blue and click here, you'll see the change. You can change the background and border colors as well. And these are margin and paddings for these text fields. Now if I go back to cart page, you can see the coupon area is also considered as a field. Okay, let's continue with the button. As you see, we have two styles for the buttons. One of them is for the back button. You can think of the button style for those buttons which moves the user a step forward, and the back button as something that takes the user to a previous state. So for example, here in cart page, the checkout button is considered as the button, and continue shopping is considered as the back button. And if we move forward to checkout page and scroll down, the same is true for place order and continue shopping buttons. The customization options are similar in both, so let's explore back button style. We have the familiar options for formatting the text, and as you see, we can change the text color, background color, radius and border options both in normal and hover state. And if you remember from the previous videos, these colors have a 0 opacity, so in order to see them, you should increase the alpha. The thumbnail style is referring to the images both in order summary and cart. I can easily toggle them off, or give them a radius to change their appearance, or even change the border size and color. So that's an overview of cart and checkout pages. Once you're done with your customizations, don't forget to click on Publish to save the changes for front end. Or if you were just playing around with the options, remember you can always click these buttons to restore the styles to their default values. Okay, in next video we'll talk about the widget styles. So have fun and see you soon.